Hey guys, welcome back. Well, today's the day we get another load of logs, hopefully. I was supposed to get one, I think it was last week, but for whatever reason the guy couldn't get in here. I don't know. So let's go down there and try to get a time lapse of the truck unloading, and then we'll take a look at the logs. So just stay tuned. We'll get down there, get the time lapse, and then I'll get a video of the pile of logs that we got finally. I think it's supposed to be a couple different species of wood, so hopefully it's all good stuff and manageable sizes. So yep, stay tuned. Alright, well here it is. It's 12.5 cord load. So it looks like that's a piece of cherry, ash, beech, maple, and that's probably the main species. I got beech, ash, maple there. So looks like maybe 1 or 2 sticks of cherry, but it's a good size load. All pretty manageable size pieces. I mean, these are a little bit bigger, no big deal. A couple big ones in there. That's a big boy there, that is for sure. So not too bad. I mean, that's big, and you can kind of tell how big she is. That's a good size log there. But yeah, plenty of room for more though. So I'm gonna have to do some more tree trimming here. I mean, that's way up there, but when they lift, you could see where he was rubbing on this tree. I don't know if you could see it, but it's like right there. So I'll just take that limb, this whole section right off. And then, because you can see where I trimmed on those up in there. But I think these droopers I'll take, and I may even take right there, this guy off. Because I know I could probably get 2 to 3 more. I'd like, they can go as high as they want. I mean, it's hard to tell, but I'd say it's easy 10 feet tall right now. So I mean, she's way up there, but yeah, finally got another one. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna try to get, I think for sure, another one. Depending on how they stack it, I may get 2 more, maybe 3 more total. I mean, because they can start going higher. I don't care, and it's easy to unload. So I'd rather get them now, because once that processor shows up, it's time to work. And I should be able to bang this out. But yeah, I got the tractor down here. That's what the debris was on the driveway. Not too bad. A couple loads ago, the debris was absolutely terrible. I mean, it was a lot. This actually isn't so bad. So, yep, pretty happy with it, finally. Just trying to stock up on these logs, because like I said, once that processor shows up, it's game on. So, should have more totes showing up here. Tomorrow, I got to pick some up. I'm going to try to get at least another 100 to 200 more of them, so I'm ready to go. Because I don't have any currently. So, yeah, that's that. That's pretty much it all for today's video. So, yeah, I'm sitting up a little higher so you can kind of still see how tall they are. But man, that's a good looking sight there. Hopefully I can go like this. And it just continues to go. So, but yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. So, as always, keep burning.